So what we've got here is the 10 new national facial recognition vehicles. So part of a national capability being rolled out through the Home Office, supported by the NPCC. And what we've done is use experience from learning from in South Wales to develop these vehicles to be the next generation of facial recognition vehicles to go out and support the growth within the UK. So what we've seen over the last 7 to 8 years really is the growth in the use of facial recognition. South Wales Police have had the team since 2017 and they'll go out regularly, arresting those who are wanted, who are suspect. And the Met likewise have done the same for the last few years. So over the last year they had over 500 arrests, and it's through that growth that the forces have looked at it and seen how much of a viable tactic it is. What it does is give police that extra eyes. It's always talked about, is it replacing police officers? But what this does is, with one operator in the back, it will allow you to scan large crowds. South Wales have seen over 2 million faces in the last year or two, and with those 2 million faces it hasn't had a false alert. So there's confidence from policing in the system, and it's growing that capability and capacity.